Hello everyone, in front of me is Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, and let me show you how to activate night mode here. So at first open the settings and then go to display. Here you will notice eye protection mode, so it's a kind of night mode. To do it, just click on eye protection mode and you can smoothly turn it on by tapping on turn on at custom time or turn on from sunset to sunrise. It's up to you, however you want to customize it. You can also tap on non-schedule and then you can smoothly turn it on and off by using this switcher. You can also personalize it, so by tapping on scale, you can change the colors. So that's it. This is how you can activate eye protection mode. It's, as I told you, kind of a night mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.